A woman reaches her breaking point when her family forgets one thing: her food.
Let me talk to her. Miss Crystal?
I'm not going to jail.
I don't want to take you to jail at all. You don't mind if we can talk, though? You don't got a knife or anything, do you?
Oh, shit.
Okay, hey, it's okay.
This is not okay. Get your here. You need to go. You need to leave. I want my daughter taken from you. Nothing.
Do you mind if I look? And then I promise we'll talk, okay? I just got to make sure for my safety, all right?
There's nothing in there that's going to hurt you.
I believe you. Okay.
Turn around.
Pretty
Deal with
good.
your own fucking self.
I'll deal with it, okay? Just want to tell me what happened. Take your time. I'm sorry you're so upset, okay?
It's pissed me off to begin with. So I went to sleep. I was like, I can't deal with this shit no more. They're all happy. I'm fun and shit. I'm just sitting here pissed off. They don't even give a They don't give a f*** about nothing. So it kept pissing me off. Everything's good for them. They don't even give a f*** about me.
What decision to be allowed to do that? What happened when she knocked you in the back of the head? Tell me a little bit about that.
And the back of my shoulder. I walked by and I was like, she just being a smart ass. I'm tired of it.
What was she saying to you?
She wasn't saying anything to me. Her f***ing body was going out there. So I hit her in the back of the arm and she f***ing decked. I told her if I'm going, she's going too because she hit me too.
So what happened after that?
She told me that I wasn't welcome here no more.
Where's she at?
I know, probably inside somewhere.
So what happened after all this little altercation?
Jake called the cops.
Then you came out here, I'm guessing?
Yes.
Okay. We'll get it. Let's go over here. What happened?
I was sitting there, we were making Super Bowl party stuff, you know, and getting everything ready. And she came out and came across and just hit Melissa in the back. And yeah, they had some words before that, but it wasn't. She's just talking about she's being selfish with Melissa. She's got a mark on her arm too.
And then that's when she told you to call us?
I kind of waited for a minute because I thought, man, they're sisters, you know what I'm saying? I was in the middle of it.
Okay. Did she hit her back or?
Crystal said she didn't. I didn't see that. I didn't see anything like that.
Was she saying anything? Like, what was she saying? Yeah. Okay, what happened to you and your sister?
When she got out of her area, she was all mad just because she said that we didn't get any food for her to eat. So when she came out, she was walking back.
She came outside and she said that if you call the cops, I'm taking you with me.
Okay, what do you mean she was beating on your mom?
Like she was physically like punching her and slamming her against the sink and everything. And then she came back in and she said, move. And then she went to the drawer. Get away from me.
Crystal, hey?
Get away from me.
It's okay.
Get away from me. No.
Crystal,
No.
Crystal, hey?
No.
Your daughter can hear you?
I don't
And
care.
she
I'm not
doesn't-
going to jail.
She doesn't deserve to hear that.
No.
She's crying her eyes out. Now let her come talk to you.
Somebody.
Crystal,
Get off me.
Don't.
Get off me.
Please don't.
Don't.
let's do it easy.
Stay away from me.
Crystal.
What the f*** did they tell you? You know what? Get the f*** away from me.
Crystal.
Please get away from me.
Crystal. It's
Stop it.
Crystal.
It's okay.
It's not okay. Crystal.
It's not okay. It's not okay. I want to get back. Oh, you wait till I get back. You wait
I'm
till I
10,
get
15
back.
away from
Get
you.
off me.
Crystal.
Get off me. God damn. Get off me. Get off me. You wait till I get back, you
Your side?
Sir.
Your side. A little bit more.
This is such bullshit. You're gonna let me talk to my daughter.